How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'd like to discuss a little more in depth about long and short. So basically what I did on the previous video, I explained to you what was the difference between long and short in Forex, and pretty much, which was pretty much this case here. So as you can see, I have NZD-CAD. So I'm gonna go ahead and type NZD-CAD. Oh, sorry, I mistyped it. So symbol window, as you can see, this is long, which is buying position, and this is the short, which is 3.19 negative. So in short, that means when I'm short, that means I'm selling, and when I'm long, that means I'm buying. And when I'm long, that means I'm receiving 0.22 every day for the position, versus when I'm short, I am paying every day 3.19. And this is why you need to be careful with it, because that could be a silent killer in your account, because you're paying every single day. You're losing $3 on Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, whatever the case may be. You're losing money every day, and then over time, especially if you do trading without stop loss, or you have an account that does not use stop loss, you could literally be paying like every single day $3. That could turn into a huge snowball effect of losing money. Okay, so for example, 3 times, I don't know, maybe 30, you lost $90. And it's different here than like being $90 negative on a trade and not having a stop loss, because at least when you haven't used stop loss yet, you can go back to break-even point. But in here, when it comes to swap, like literally when you lost $90, you actually lost $90. So now that means with your account, with your risk, you have to generate more $90 in order for it to make up the loss that you had. So that's why you need to be careful with it. Okay. And why am I saying that in the first place? Because you need to pay attention at everything when it comes to Forex. You need to pay attention at spread. You need to pay attention at the swap, and of course, you want to. If you want to be safer in the market, you want to prefer the trades in which you're receiving money versus paying money. And if you're going to pay money, at least you're not going to pay that much. Like you're going to pay $1 a day, $1 point something a day. Like there was a trade in which I don't know what it was anymore, a few days ago, one currency pair that I was paying like freaking like $25 a day to be placed at a trade. So even though like my trading system told me to buy or sell at that position, and the spread was low and everything was fine, but when it comes to the swap of the operation, when I was selling or buying, it was way too expensive. And even though the trade was good, that is not worth it anymore, because not only will you have to actually have the chart going in your favor, the market going in your favor, but also you have to go in your favor in a short time before you lose money. Because what happens is, if you don't profit, let's say you buy a trade that's charging you $25 a day, and then like in 3 days you are already negative $75, and the market doesn't move. And if by any means the market moves in your favor $75, that means you're still at break-even point, because that gain is eating up the loss that you had, and now the chart needs to go even further in your favor, decreasing even more the probability of you profiting in that trade. So that's why it's so dangerous if you're paying swap and you're not really careful with that. So it really is that way. But this is just the basic foundation of it. So basically what I really want to say here is that long and short is pretty much the same for all markets. So when I'm talking about stock market, long is buy and then short is selling. When I'm talking about options trading, is the same thing. For example, I'm about to teach you guys trading strategies and options trading strategies. So how to generate income with options trading, how to speculate with options trading, how to protect your account, how to do hedging with options. Like you can do many things with options. Like the options are pretty much infinite. There are dozens and dozens of strategies. You can combine strategies. You can combine strategies of generating income with speculating. You can use the profit of the premium of the money that you generated to speculate a little bit. You can do calendar spread, you can do straddle, strangle. Like there are a million strategies. There's not a million strategies, but there's a lot of strategies. And what I'm trying to say here is that we can generate profit from one market and then throw it at the second market and then combine all of them together. So like for example, I can generate profit on options trading and then open a Forex account and do like 10% a month in a higher risk account, because I know that the money I generated was not my money, was actually the money I generated from the market. And then I can actually give myself the luxury of trying to reach like a higher percentage, which is 10% a month, which is really risky, using a more aggressive proportional lot size, doing the strategy right here, and only, for example, opening trades in which I'm receiving swap rather than paying swap, for example, using Forex. So that's why I'm saying like the goal here is to use everything together. Okay, everything together. You know, you lose one market. For example, it's like you're trying to build your portfolio and then you use one market and then you generate money and then you generate money from other market and then you get the money from here and you put it in there and then generate money from there, put it back here, and then you combine this with this market and then combine that market with this market. And this is why I am trying to teach you this, because I think this is one of the greatest ways for you to actually make money, understanding the financial instruments. For example, derivatives, like I said, stock market, Forex trading, cryptocurrencies, understanding many types of strategies with stop loss, strategies without stop loss, swing trading and Forex swing trading, and stock swing trading, and like crypto, for example. You can even do trading in options, for example. Oh, sorry about this, guys. I'm a little ill right now. But basically, that's what I want to teach you guys. Okay, how can we combine multiple markets in a safe approach in order for us to generate our portfolio for the long term? Okay, so combining that with your work, with allocating your assets every month, you know, allocating and depositing money every month in your account, so you can build up your portfolio, so that you can better up your average price in a stock or something like this. Or for example, you know, generating, investing in assets that generate you cash flow. So you always have cash flow in your basis. So once you have this basis and you have profit from it, you get this money and then you put it in a higher risk investment, for example, and like investments that does not necessarily generate you cash flow, but at least you earn a higher percentage. For example, when you invest in stock market and you invest in companies that pay you dividends, it's different than investing in Forex, because in Forex you're not really generating any income unless you have a trade that it's receiving swap, like I said, that are receiving money on swap. But even that is a little different, because that could change, I guess, that could vary, and it's not the same thing as investing in a stock market, for example, or assets that are actually generating you as cash flow, you know, and historically saying it's only going to go up. For example, like S&P 500. Okay, the historically saying it's only going to go up. You don't know when, but you know that long term the chances are higher than, I don't know, investing in anything else, for example, in this world, because I'm talking about the strongest currency in the world, strongest economy in the world, which is the US, for example. So it's like there are many things we can combine together and use in our favor, and that's what I want to do. Okay, so that was the video. I know it's a little confusing. Sorry for the English barrier thing here. It's just that it's hard for me, but like I said, I'm trying to improve my English so you can understand me more, and I hope you got the core idea of what I'm trying to do here. And that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Oh, also, I have my Forex course completely for free on YouTube. Okay, I have. And as you can see here, as of right now, I'm trading 20 accounts at the same time, and all the accounts are positive. Of course, I just started right now, but I'm here teaching you my knowledge and pretty much teaching you everything I know in Forex and how to use Forex to generate extra income for us, because this is a entrepreneurship channel. Okay, so I want to teach you how to make money on the internet, building up your business and investing your money and generating money, not only from your active work but also passively, such as investing in stock market, real estate, high risk investment, crypto, swing trading, day trading, position trading, or whatever the case may be. It may be building your portfolio, whether it's with fixed income and mixing up with high risk investments at the same time, whether you're conservative or more aggressive style, you have a more aggressive or conservative style. So that's pretty much what I wanted to say. So yeah, I know it is a lot. I know it's pretty overwhelming. I know it's kind of crazy, but at least, man, this is like one of the few things in the world that's going to actually make you become financially independent. So I'm here for that. I'm on the same journey as you guys. I'm not rich. I'm not a guru. I'm not like, oh my God, this guy's the best guy in the world. No, I'm not. I'm still learning. I'm also a student, just like you guys. But everything I learn on the internet and everything that works for me, I'm bringing, and I think it's valuable for my audience. I'm going to bring to you guys. So that's why I'm giving the Forex course for free. I'm going to be talking about more stocks in the future and give you a stock course for free as well in the future. Talk about cryptocurrency, how to build your portfolio safe, even fixed income. So treasury bonds, liquidity, financial education, building up your emergency reserve, and many other things. Okay, many things. And this is just like one side of the coin, and then like the other side of the coin will be us generating income from our actually work. And in this case is working with internet. So organic traffic, all social media platforms, and then eventually paid traffic as well. Build up our skills, working as freelance or whatever the case may be. Learning techniques so we can solve a problem, so we can sell that to our audience, and many other things. So this is a completely business, and that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. I know I talked a lot, but at least I'm giving 100% of who I am to my people, because what I'm telling you guys is something that I wish I had for me when I was first started. So because if I had that, I wouldn't have lost so many years of my life trying to figure out everything